शहर में क्लब बना दिया। जब सारी दुनिया सो जाती है अफ्तर भारी हो जाती है। अफ्तर भारी के भी अफ्तर जो चले ये वो पाती है। सारी दुनिया सो जाती है अफ्तर भारी हो जाती है। अफ्तर भारी के भी अफ्तर जो चले ये वो पाती है। Relax man, come party with the good man. Relax man, come party with the good man. Relax man, now party with the good man. Relax man, जब सारी दुनिया सो जाती है अफ्तर भारी हो जाती है। अफ्तर भारी के भी अफ्तर जो चले ये वो बाती है। सारी दुनिया सो जाती है अफ्तर भारी हो जाती है। अफ्तर भारी के भी अफ्तर जो चले ये वो बाती है। पिट्टू चील पतंदर आफ्टर पार्टी घर के अंदर घर है देखो भूत वाला। टूटी खिड़की मकड़ी का जाला है। नाइट मुझको बस जागना है। कट लो घर को डर को जिसको भागना है।
पोयम कद्दू जी की चली बारात हुई बाजों की बरसात। बैगन के गाड़ी के ऊपर बैठे कद्दू राजा। सलजम और प्याज ने मिलकर खूब बजाया बाजा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धार्थवतवे। गीता गंगा जल गायत्री सीता सत्य सरस्वती विद्या ब्रह्मवल्ली त्रिसंज्ञा दुर्गेनी आयुधनाथा चिरानंद वैशालिनी। देखो देखो पोयम देखो देखो यहाँ कितने सारे फलों का ठेला। यहाँ कितने सारे फल है कहीं से तो।
देखा है तुझको जब से हाय मैं तो हिल गया। लगता है मेरे सीने से दिल निकल गया। देखा है तुझको जब से हाय मैं तो हिल गया। लगता है मेरे सीने से दिल निकल गया। मम्मी से क्या डैडी से भी मिलाऊंगा तुझे। अरे जो भी मैं कहूँ तुझे लगता है क्यों गलत।
Old furniture, whatever it is useful to the foundation for children. Thank you, sir. Please meet sir. He is the Bank of India Chief Manager, sir. They have donated nearly 1 lakh worth of furniture to our foundation, sir. Thank you, sir. Please come. Next name. Sir, students, they are doing a very committed coaches, feeling shy.
Issues, locally. The problem is, even if you want to build a permanent infrastructure, we can't do it here because the land is on lease from the corporation, and whatever structures we want to build, it requires special permissions and special sanctions. So in whatever way the government wants to promote sports, especially to the underprivileged, that should be the motive, and that is the motive with which the foundation has started here. This sports coaching foundation is not to promote, players who will play or represent India in various fields, but the basic idea is to promote the awareness of sports among the children. These days we see that the schools don't have playgrounds, schools don't, put in their attention to promote the sports. But in places like this, where a lot of children from around this area, they can come, they have got a free access, open access to the facility here. They can, mix, they can play, and they can, imbibe the values and virtues of playing sports. I am very happy, I congratulate Sai Baba and his wife, who have taken, probably they have dedicated almost their 23 years of life for promoting this, and thousands of people and thousands of students have gone out from this place. They are all the, goodwill ambassadors for this sports coaching foundation. So I'm very happy to be associated on the sports day function with you. I'm very, very thankful to Mr. Paparao who has come here and to bless us all. And I request him to deliver.
Dear KV Rao Garu, Sai Baba, all the sportsmen, women, boys and girls and coaches, I'm very pleased to be here, and I have seen the sports all over India and abroad, but I have not seen such a small ground doing so many events and so many sports anywhere in India. As KV Rao Garu has said, that playing, that doesn't mean everybody have to become a champion. In fact, playing should be a part of life, part of education. Since our schools don't have grounds and playing facilities, I can see this ground is providing excellent opportunity for all of you. People who have no access, people underprivileged from the slums and other middle class families. I wish big success to this foundation and congratulate Sai Baba and his wife, and I congratulate all the coaches for their dedicated work and all the students to have a very good sporting life in your future. Thank you.